And today we're going to be checking out this four-wheel drive RC stunt car. That's right, this is a cool little green and white car that obviously is four-wheel drive, but it's also motion controlled and everything else. So let's go ahead, just open the box, see what all you're going to get, and then we're going to drive this thing around and test it out. All right, so here's the box right here. We're going to pop this open real quick. And you can see the box had a white one. Apparently we got a blue and black one, which is really cool. It's got these clear little Omni wheels on it, meaning that it'll be able to go side to side, forward, back, turn all different directions. And you got this really cool remote control. And inside the pack, you get your instruction manual, a screwdriver, a charger, a battery, and a charger for the remote. Very cool. And this is a motion control. You just wear this on your wrist to actually drive the car around. Let's see, we're going to open it up with the screwdriver they gave us. I got Carter helping me today. He's going to be our pilot to see, because sometimes they have a battery pre-installed, and they do, which is very cool, because now you have two batteries. Very nice. Twice the runtime, twice the fun. So I think what we need to do is get some batteries for the remote. We're going to power this thing up, and let's see what it can do. So we got everything ready to go. Carter's got the controller, and he's going to drive this thing around a little bit and show us what all it'll do. Ready? Go ahead, start driving. Is that the demo? So it does have a demo mode. It's got lights, it's got sounds. It plays music. It can crab walk. It has the four-wheel drive mode. Go back to four-wheel drive mode. Oh, what's four-wheel drive mode? Show us. That's right. You can see it gives itself a little lift there, which is very cool. The whole thing lights up. You can't see it in the daytime, but each wheel lights up, and then there's three RGB lights on the rooftop. Maybe you can see it lighting up a little bit. Very, very cool. It's a very compact. It's not a real big RC car, but it'll be perfect for indoors or in those smaller locations. It's great for the novice, great for the beginner. Also great for just having some fun, no matter what your experience level is with RC. I think what we need to do next is we're going to go ahead and try out the motion controller, which is sitting right there. You ready to try it, Carter?
Yep.
All right, let's try it. So while Carter puts on the motion controller, I'm going to give you a close look at this. You can see it's got the clear wheels on the side with the blue Omni wheels. That's what allows it to crab walk and go side to side. It's got a cool little circuit board design in the top. These are your RGB lights that light up. It looks the same on both sides, but this is the bottom. The off-on switch is right here. Carter noticed on the motion controller that there's actually RGB inside the motion controller, and it tells you what direction you're signaling for the car to go. Very, very cool. I've never seen that one before. That's a new feature. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to turn it on. You ready?
Yeah.
You can see the RGBs coming on. You can see it in the wheels. And now Carter's driving it with the motion of his hand. You don't even need the controller anymore. Nice. So you can see it's a pretty fast, zippy little car. It's quite capable. It can drive on many surfaces. It's really not best suited for grass, but concrete, floors, carpet, you won't have any issues whatsoever. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.